Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're all well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and you're ready for a new week of guided reading. This week we're going to be looking at a new book, but first let's remind ourselves of our reading strategies. You can use any of these to help you with your reading, but the ones I want you to focus on are your eagle eye and your stretchy snake. Your eagle eye is when you look at the pictures in the book to help you with the words. And your stretchy snake is when you stretch out the sounds in a word slowly and you go back and say the sounds all together. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. Chicken. Ch, I, k, in. You have a go for me? Good job, well done. Let's try it all together one more time. Chicken. Ch, I, k, in. Fantastic, well done. The book we're going to be looking at this week is called Jack. So here is what our book looks like on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. Kipper ran to get Mum. Quick, a chicken! Floppy ran at the chicken. The chicken ran at Floppy. Floppy ran into the shed. The chicken sat on a box. It ran at Dad. Quick, pick him up! Dad shut it in a pen. Biff put mash in a dish. Shall we call him Jack? Biff and Chip fed Jack. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Mum and Dad got up. Cock-a-doodle-doo! It is 6. Doodle-doo! Shh, shh. Biff, Chip and Kipper got up too. Shh, shh. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Shh, shh, shh. Now that I've finished reading, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you're struggling, you can rewind the video and listen to me read it again, or on Oxford Owl they have the play button where they can read it for you. On this week's guided reading, we're going to be doing another word search. To access the word search, all you need to do is click the link that I will put in your portfolio. When you click the link, it will bring you to this page. You need to enter your name and press start. Once that has loaded, you'll need to press start again and have a go at finding all the words down the side in your word search. Don't forget to send me a picture of your lovely work. Enjoy and have fun!